Picture this. You're walking through your house at night, lights off, and somehow you don't bump into the furniture. Why? Because your brain has stored a mental map of the space. That, in its simplest form, is memory. But here's the thing. Memory isn't like a computer's hard drive where information is neatly filed away. It's a living, constantly changing process inside your brain. Scientists usually break it into three main stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding is like the brain's camera. It captures sights, sounds, and feelings, then transforms them into a code your brain can work with. Storage is the tricky part. Your brain doesn't keep a perfect recording. Instead, it strengthens networks of neurons. Think of them like trails in a forest. The more you walk them, the clearer they get. Retrieval is when you follow those trails again, sometimes smoothly, sometimes with gaps, which is why you might forget where you left your keys. Now, let's zoom in on the types of memory. Sensory memory is ultra-short, like a snapshot lasting less than a second. Short-term memory holds just a handful of items, like a mental notepad that only lasts about 20 seconds unless you rehearse it. And long-term memory is where things can last a lifetime: faces, languages, even how to ride a bike. Long-term memory splits further. Explicit memory is facts and events you can describe, while implicit memory is skills and habits you don't even have to think about. If this is starting to make sense, hit subscribe for more SciReveal episodes every week. Here's a surprising twist. Memories aren't fixed snapshots. Every time you recall one, your brain actually rebuilds it. That means memories can subtly change over time. It's why eyewitness testimony isn't always reliable, and why you and your sibling might remember the same childhood story in completely different ways. Deep inside your brain, the hippocampus, a tiny, seahorse-shaped structure, is key for making new memories. Damage it, and you can still remember old things, but forming new ones becomes nearly impossible. Meanwhile, the amygdala ties strong emotions to memories, which is why you vividly remember embarrassing or scary moments, but forget what you had for lunch last Tuesday. Bonus fact: sleep is memory's best friend. During deep sleep, your brain replays the day's experiences, sorting what's worth keeping and discarding the rest. So yes, pulling all-nighters is the enemy of learning. So to sum it up, memory is your brain's way of encoding, storing, and retrieving information. It's not a static archive, but a dynamic, flexible process that defines who you are. The wildest part? Every thought you're having right now is reshaping your brain's memory networks in real time. Next time you recall a vivid moment or walk through your house in the dark, remember, you're not just replaying a file. You're reliving a living map, stitched together by billions of neurons firing in harmony. That's memory.